Welcome back to my channel where we explore the world of academia. In today's video, we will dive into Chapter 2 of your dissertation, the Literature Review. The Literature Review is a critical component of your research, providing the foundation for your study and showcasing your knowledge of the existing literature. So let's get started with a step-by-step guide to writing your dissertation literature review. Understand the purpose of the literature review. Before you begin writing, it's important to understand the purpose of the literature review. The literature review serves several key functions, including establishing the context for your research, identifying the gaps in the existing literature, and justifying the significance of your study. Keep these goals in mind as you navigate through the process. Conduct comprehensive research. Start by conducting comprehensive research on your topic. Utilize academic databases, journals, books, and other reliable sources. Make sure to include both seminal and recent publications to provide a well-rounded understanding of the topic. Take organized notes and keep track of key findings and references. Organize and synthesize the literature. Once you have gathered a substantial amount of literature, it's time to organize and synthesize it. Begin by categorizing the literature based on key themes, concepts, or research questions. Look for common threads and connections between different studies. This will help you structure your literature review and identify any gaps in the existing knowledge. Develop a clear structure. A well-structured literature review is essential for readability and coherence. Start with a concise introduction that provides an overview of the topic and outlines the objectives of your literature review. Then organize the body of your literature review either thematically or chronologically, depending on what best suits your research goals. Ensure smooth transitions between paragraphs and sections. Analyze and evaluate the literature. The literature review is not just a summary of previous studies, it requires critical analysis and evaluation. Analyze the strengths and weaknesses of different studies, methodologies, and arguments. Identify any limitations or gaps in the existing literature. Evaluate the credibility and reliability of the sources you include. This critical evaluation will demonstrate your expertise and contribute to the scholarly conversation. Synthesize the literature. One of the key goals of a literature review is to synthesize the information gathered from various sources. Connect the dots between different studies, theories, and perspectives. Demonstrate how they contribute to the understanding of your research topic. Highlight any conflicts, consensus, or gaps in the literature. Synthesizing the literature will provide a comprehensive overview of the current state of knowledge in your field. Write clearly and concisely. Finally, make sure your literature review is written in a clear and concise manner. Use academic language and appropriate terminology, but avoid unnecessary jargon. Present your ideas logically and support them with evidence from the literature. Be mindful of your word count and stay focused on the main points. Congratulations, you now have a step-by-step guide to writing your dissertation literature review. Remember, the literature review is a crucial chapter that lays the foundation for your research and showcases your understanding of the existing literature. Take your time, conduct comprehensive research, and carefully structure and synthesize the literature. With these tips in mind, you'll be on your way to crafting a compelling and impactful literature review for your dissertation. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to learn how to finish your dissertation in 6 months or less.